I'm gonna try this piece of lettuce and see what happens.
You're gonna record that, right?
It's on camera. Check it out, people. Check it out. Woohoo! Let's go, let's go. Hopefully they're vegetarian down there. All right, my people, we're back. Who we got here? We got Franco de Vida. It's been a while, but we have him back. Yeah. And then we got Italia.
¿Cómo está?
Hey, we're ready for today. We're aiming for some snappers and anything else that bites. We're fishing out of what? Key Biscayne. Which bridge is this, Franco?
Key Biscayne.
Key Biscayne what? What's the name of the bridge?
Rickenback.
Rickenback. Yeah. So stay tuned, because you know it's going to be a move. Let's go. Okay, here I got a live shrimp. Connected with a size 2 hook, 25-pound fluorocarbon, and a tiny little 1/2 ounce sink. See it right here. I'm gonna go right next to the structure. I'm gonna let it sink. That's it. Now we wait. All right. I see some bait fish down there. Man, I was getting some tiny bites. Woo! Look at that. They flew here. Come on, guys. On the small one. Right away, they're biting. Franco, pequen de este lado mejor. Live shrimp, yeah. All right, it's got to be maybe an 8-incher. Woohoo! Let's go for another fish. Oh, we just put up in Italia already on a
bait.
Ronquito. Oh, that was easy. All right, let's go. Let's release that guy. No, release him. The only way we're keeping one of them if they're super tiny. I'm talking about 2 inches probably. There he goes. So we're also going to be using some ballyhoo that we have here. Mango, ballyhoo. Woohoo! All right, so we got ballyhoo. We got the live shrimp inside. And let me see what other stuff we have. And we also have frozen finger mullet. So we got 3 baits of option. Let's see. Use a little piece of ballyhoo right now. Meantime. So I got my 2 rods here. This one's gonna be a little heavier tackle, and then this is the light one. One is gonna be having shrimp. This one here on the knocker rig is gonna have the ballyhoo. It is. All right. I'm gonna throw that way, that direction. Perfect, right there. Alright, there we have it. And then this one I'm gonna set it up with more live shrimp. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, a nice little lane snapper, people.
Are you casting anywhere?
Yeah, straight down. All right, guys. A little lane snapper. You know they only got to be 8. It's probably around there. But yeah, he still looks too small, so he's gonna go back in. Man, look what he just did to me. Look what he just did to me. Woo-hoo-hoo, right inside the pocket. Oh man. There he goes, free release. People, let me show you this here. The garbage is literally right there. I don't know why people gotta be so dirty leaving all this thing out here. Frank, do me a favor, open the garbage for me. Open right there, please. This is the reason why we lose fishing spots. Simple, right there, literally. All right, we got Italia on the fish here. Let's go, Italia, let's go.
He's gonna stack on some.
Oh, but he was fighting you though, no? Bring it in, bring it here. The line, the line. Let me see. Wow, look at the boat, people. Look at the boat.
You coming?
Nah, you're stuck. Yep, it's stuck. Here we go, here we go. As soon as I left the rod unattended, boom. We had a bite. They're out here, people, they're out here. Thing is that this one looks still small, you know? Might make the cut, but we're looking for bigger ones. Here we go. Tiny little piece. Let it go down and just wait. So I'm feeling some bites, but it's really soft. Look like small fish. Fire. Don't get fooled because it's always quiet.
Small, man.
That's okay, that's okay. What we got, a little grunt?
Yeah.
All right. Let's release that guy and go back for another one. We're waiting for Italia to catch the first one. You caught one already or not yet?
Yeah, I got a grunt.
Oh yeah, Italia got one already.
Yeah.
He caught a grunt. Oh, he might be in another one, even though he's fighting with his rod first. Oh. right, let's wait here. Take it, take it. I'm getting some bites, but apparently they're small fish. So my people, unfortunately today nothing but small fish. Well, hey, that's okay. At least we all catching some. Look at the size of this little guy. Frank over there keeps finding the same thing, little grunts. We got Italia with the same issue here. So that's what's going on right now. But hey, what's better, small fish or no fish? So that's exactly what you're thinking about. I'm gonna try this piece of lettuce and see what happens.
You're gonna record that, right?
It's on camera. Check it out, people. Check it out. Woohoo! Let's go, let's go. Hopefully they're vegetarian down there. Wait, hold on. Oh. Give us a second here, people. We had a little entanglement here. Will Smith. All right, here we go. Now we wait. Oh, believe it or not, we're getting some bites. We are getting bites. Is it possible to catch a fish with a lettuce? All right, my people. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and find out if lettuce actually works. Once again, thank you all. I'll see you in the next one.